This is the model 1001. It's the OG, the original with the RSA, very sought after. And today I'm going to diagnose, I already know the laser is going to be bad. The question is what else is going to be wrong with it. But on top of that, what I'm going to show you is that China is having a big problem putting out this laser. This is the 440ACM, the KSM-440ACM. I received a bunch of these, over 30 of them, because I have a lot of PlayStation 1s that I'm restoring right now. And there's a huge issue with it. And what I'll do in the video, I'm going to show you how it doesn't fit and what I do to correct it. So it comes new, and the telltale sign that I know right away is because it has this pull tab on it that they generally don't have. And you're going to find out that it doesn't fit under the shell. And every one they've made is the same exact problem. I've sent messages, gotten my money back. So today I'm going to modify it and get it to work. The problem you run into, it's a modified laser. So when I do sell them, I can no longer sell them with 100% integrity that it's a redone. It is an aftermarket laser. You can get away with a lot. But if you take a look right here, this lip is hanging over way too much. And you could compare it to the old laser, which I have right here. If you notice, I'll hold the laser in the same position. This one doesn't have it. And because of that, when you put it into the case, it forces down, which generally wouldn't be too much of a problem, but the disc spins and it hits the shell on this 1001. So it'll hit and it won't be able to spin properly, and hence you can't tune it. I learned this because I was going crazy. I tuned them, got it working, put it on, then all of a sudden had bigger problems. So in this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to clean this case up. I don't know if I'm going to retro bright it on this video, but I will make this look new and get it to work and sell it as one of my my refurbs. So enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Okay, and here we have a PlayStation where I am going to take it apart, check the laser on it. I already plugged it in. Going to put a disc in it, see what it does. Going to also press the thing so we can see any movement on it. All right, and it's clicking. It's not going to read, I know it now. Generally, the laser's failing, so that's a good thing. Okay, so what I'll do is I am going to kill this. And I'm going to come right back after I remove the screws, and we'll take the lid off. Okay, I'm back. And here we go, and take the lid off of it. And we're going to remove the old laser. Power is off. So movement on there. I'm going to take out the cable. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the laser that I ended up cutting the end on. What I'll do is I'm going to grab another one and show you what happens with the case. So this one is one I haven't cut. And when I put this on here, I'm not even going to attach it. I'll just set it in place. Then I will place it on. And if you notice, it doesn't close. I have to force it shut. And by forcing it shut, the laser gets pushed down and it doesn't seed into here no matter what I do. So after the little modification that I've made of the cutting the cover, like I said, I can't put this cover on here. It does not line up. I'd have to modify that. So if I'm going to modify anything, I'm going to modify the one that's on here already. So let's get that done. And we have our power wire. Let's just make sure it is the laser. So we will get this on here. We'll turn it on and test it. See if it turns on. Can't find my angled tweezers. Okay, press that down. Pop this in. And then first things first, put my little Tetris disc on it. The other thing I'm going to do is plug my remote in, because this way I want to make sure that the remote is working as well. So let me grab it. Grab my remote. All right, and let's turn it on now. Let's go power. And Sure enough, spinning right away, which is telling me the other laser was bad. I could adjust it, but if I'm going to sell it as refurbished, after I'm done with it and cleaning it, I'm going to put a new laser in it, because when you start to adjust the laser down, the bottom line is the laser is failing, and I don't want it to fail on a customer in a year. I want it to last. Oh, let's try a reset. Come on. Disk is wobbling a lot. There it goes. Oh, it's booting up now. It didn't boot up the first power stroke. And there it goes. PlayStation screen is going on. My controller, does it light up if I press the analog button? Yes, it does, which means controller is functioning. We'll let it boot up and get into it. So there you go. Audio is clean. I have another disc that I use as well, but it's a little scratched up and it glitches on the audio, so I don't always show people the first time. Don't need a memory card. We'll go past it. And we'll start. Tetris is loading. I do love Tetris. It's one of my favorite games, I think. I can pass all that. Let's see if it loads up. And sure enough, Tetris works. So we are good to go. Now I'm going to show you how this case will now close with the modified end. So once again, you know, this brand new laser, this 440 ACM laser, I can't even sell it to customers. I need to modify every one of them, test them on a working console. So it's like they create all this work for me when I order this stuff from China, but the reality is nobody else has them. And I'm trying to get in touch with the manufacturer of it, but according to everybody I've bought it from on Alibaba, they don't speak any English. And I can use Google Translate and all these things, but the reality is major design flaw. If you can, tell me if you know any other machine this laser works on, the 440 ACM. The ribbon cable is very limited on the SCPH-1001. They do say I can use the BAM laser, take the laser out and put it into the old one I've taken out. That is another way to go as well, but machine-wise, comes with an ACM. I want to put an ACM in it, trying to keep it factory specific. So that being said, I will now rest this on here. And because I've modified it, look at that, not forced down. I'll go inside of it. As you can tell, it sits flush. If I put a disc in it, place it nice and gentle, it spins, no rubbing, and it's good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the screws in this. And listen, electric screwdriver, if you're not good with it, I highly recommend you do not use it when working on old 1001 series, because if the plastic has lost its integrity, you will crack the stems putting it in. And I've done that on plenty of cases. And when you can't get these cases anymore, not even clear, that's a problem. So pop this in. I just want to make sure it's down so I can press the disc and it'll work. Let's put it back in. The power on. Open it up. I'm going to press the button. Power it on. Spins nice and clean. No issues. And there she goes. PlayStation screen will come up. This machine is now fixed. The last thing I'll do is I'll take it apart, do a thorough cleaning on it, and I have a refurbished machine. I'll even, when a circuit board is a little damaged, not damaged, I'm sorry, when it's dirty, I will do a sonic bath on it with some isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. This way, I make it look really good. Whenever I do that, I take a picture, I put it on my website. If you ever want to buy my consoles, they are thoroughly cleaned through, every one of them. My website is www.rnhhobbies.net. I have a speed shop and I have this, so you're going to want to go to gaming, choose your platform and see what I have refurbished and what I have available. I also have a retail store where I sell all this into and I do repairs for people. It's called Hobbytown, and it's in Toms River, New Jersey. If you ever want to meet me, you can come there, say hello. But please, any comments you have on what I've done with this console, I would love to hear them. If you know anything about the laser, any suggestions on it, love to hear that too. I do follow back, and I'll talk to all my customers. But there you go. This console is now fixed. I'm not going to show a video of me cleaning a console. I have videos of me doing the retro bright already. But yeah, thank you for watching. I thoroughly appreciate it.